Explanation of this code, the program starts by including the standard input-output library and defining the sock merchant function. The sock merchant function takes in two parameters, an integer n representing the number of socks, and an array AR of integers representing the colors of each sock. Inside the function, a counter array colors with 101 elements is initialized to all zeros. This array will be used to keep track of the frequency of each color. The function then uses a for loop to iterate through the input array AR and increment the corresponding element in the colors array for each color encountered. For example, if the first sock in the input array has color 15, the element at index 15 in the colors array will be increment. Another for loop is used to iterate through the colors array and add the number of pairs of each color by dividing the frequency of each color by 2. This is done by adding the integer division of colors, i/2 to the variable pairs. After all the pairs have been counted, the function returns the total number of pairs as the result. In the main function, it takes an integer input n representing the number of socks and an array AR of integers representing the colors of each sock. Then it calls the sock merchant function and passes it the input n and AR, and assigns the returned value to a variable. Finally, it prints the total number of pairs of matching colors. The program ends with a return 0 statement, indicating successful execution.